Hi, I'm Monk and this is the Monk review of the Kleenex Wet Wipes. I'll look at the form factor and the cleaning power of these wipes and see if they're the best everyday carry. Subscribe and leave a like for more of these reviews. I make them every day on good products. I left a link to buy this product in the description and comments. Check it out there. Starting with the box, Kleenex Gentle Clean Wet Wipes come in two different packages. The one I have is individually wrapped, coming at 25 single packets in a package. There are also these flip-top packs that closes after taking one out. These contain 24 wipes per pack. Here's a close-up of the individual packs. The front has the name, Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. Contains one wet wipe. Dimensions of the actual wipe, we'll measure this after. And it's not flushable, so don't leave these in the toilets. The two sides has cuts for easy opening. Here's the back. This is a very gentle wipe that's alcohol-free, hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested, and paraben-free. Perfect for purses, bags, pockets, and lunch boxes. The ingredients contain water and aloe extracts, and it's made in America. The actual package is 2.9 by 3.2 inches, or 7.3 by 8.1 centimeters. It's 0.2 inches in thickness, but can be squished down to 0.1 inches, or 0.26 centimeters. The package itself is not the smallest, bigger than the moist wipe you get from restaurants, but it's very easy to open. Just tear out the cut. Here's me opening the package and unwrapping the wipe. The wipe itself measures in at 7.7 by 6.6 inches, or 19.6 by 16.8 centimeters. It's very moist, retains the moisture well. These are 4 months old, and it hasn't dried up at all. Here's how it looks in the hands. Soft but thick to the touch. There's a faint clean smell, but it's mostly scent-free. Not too wet, but enough to get most jobs done. It feels very nice on the skin, and it's very tough, doesn't tear. It can be used to wipe your desk or anything else. I put some coffee grounds on this side duct to demonstrate cleaning an object. It wipes out most dirt easily, and leaves a clean side duct. Have to put some effort to tear this apart. After some tearing, we see that it's still usable, and doesn't fall apart. This is a high quality wet wipe. I have 12 of these in the front of my backpack. They fit perfectly when stacked on each other. Perfect for daily cleaning, like after a meal, or just disinfect your hands after a long walk. They're very gentle, and hasn't caused any issues with my skin at all. Kleenex says they're gentle enough for the face and around the eyes. They're 12 cents per single pack if you buy in bulk, but they're 6 cents if you buy the flip-top pack. So the individual packs are more expensive. I highly recommend these for everyone. Perfect for your backpack, purse, or wallet. There are 3 kinds of these wet wipes. We saw the gentle clean version. There's also germ removal for removing 99% of germs, and a softer version called sensitive, with aloe and vitamin E. My gentle clean version seems to be soft enough, so I'll stick with these. I like to get multiple opinions, so let's look at the Amazon reviews for this. It has 4.4 out of 5 with 93 reviews, a great rating. This question asks if it's suitable for infants, and they seem to be. This review praised it for smelling great and being very thick. This one says they're good for the entire body, and doesn't leave a residue. They can be used on stuff like phone screens or for dusting. Overall, everyone seems to love these. Of all the wipes I use, I would say these are the best. I prefer the individual packs, but you can try the flip-top packs for a cheaper deal. If you want to try some of these in your bag, check out the link in the description or the comments. Subscribe and leave a like for more Buy It For Life reviews. I make these every day, on high quality products I use every single day. Keep watching to find the best stuff in the Monk Review.